Hello and welcome back to CodeFlow. In this video we will install Kali Linux 2020.3 in VirtualBox. So let's get started. If you don't have VirtualBox installed on your system, then you can download it. Open Google Chrome or any Internet Explorer. Search for VirtualBox. Go through the official link virtualbox.org. And from there, click on Download. Now, choose your current operating system. I am using Windows, so I choose Windows Host. After completion of downloading VirtualBox, open it to install. Just left default setting, click on Next and install the software. After software installation is completed, you need to download Kali Linux ISO file. So once again open Chrome, and open website kali.org. Click on Download menu, and choose Download Kali Linux. From here choose the ISO file depending upon your system, and the download will start. After download is completed, open VirtualBox. And from here, click on New. Give the name of operating system. Choose type of operating system to Linux, and version to Debian. Click on Next. You can adjust the memory size from here. And click on Next. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now, and click on Create. Leave it to VDI, and click on Next. Again leave it to Dynamically Allocated and click on Next. From here, you can increase or decrease size of disk for Linux. Finally, click on Create. Now, from Settings, you can rearrange your changes, if you want. You can also adjust processor count from here. Finally on Storage, select Empty. And on Optical Drive, click on Choose the disk file, and select the ISO of Linux that you downloaded earlier. Now, click on OK, and start the virtual machine. You can choose Graphical Install by using keyboard. Select your language and continue. Choose your location, and adjust setting. Continue the installation as shown. From here, create user account, username, and password. Now, at partition disk, select guided select entire disk, and click on Continue. Select the default setting as shown, and click on Continue. From here, select Finish partitioning and write changes to disk, and click on Continue. Select Yes, and click on Continue. Now, it will install the base system of Kali Linux. From here only choose the first two options, otherwise it may take long time to install or maybe your installation will be failed. After complete, it will install GRUB bootloader, so click on Yes and click on Continue. Select the disk as shown in video and click on Continue. Now it will take some moment to finish installation. After installation is complete, click on Continue and wait for some time to open Kali Linux. Now you can use your user and password to log in. How do you guys get on? If you have any difficulties then comment below. Also please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.